Hello, my name is Dipjyoti Kole, and today I'm going to present on the topic blockchain and the future of voting system and its challenges and opportunities. So, voting is the backbone of a democracy, but is it secure and transparent enough? Voting is a fundamental part of democracy, allowing people to express their opinion and shape the course of their society. However, traditional voting systems face several challenges such as lack of transparency, security threats, and difficulty in accessibility. These challenges can undermine the integrity of the electoral process and erode public trust in the democratic institution. In recent years, blockchain technologies has emerged as a potential solution to address these challenges and improve the voting system. Blockchain-based voting system offers several benefits such as transparency, security, and efficiency. However, implementing blockchain-based voting system also poses several technical and political challenges that need to be addressed. Some of the key challenges and issues with the current voting systems include lack of transparency. Traditional voting system can be opaque, making it difficult to ensure the accuracy and integrity of the results. Security threats. Current voting systems are vulnerable to cybersecurity threats such as hacking, malware, and DNS service attacks, which can compromise the integrity of the result. Difficulty in accessibility. Some voters face barriers to access the polling station, such as physical disability, remote location, or lack of identification documents. Inefficiency. Traditional voting system can be time-consuming, expensive, and prone to error, which can delay the result and undermine the confidence in the electoral process. Addressing these challenges requires innovative solutions that can ensure the integrity, security, and accessibility of the voting system while also respecting the privacy and autonomy of the voters. Blockchain technology offers several advantages that can help address these challenges, but it also poses some technical and political challenges that need to be addressed. Now, what is a blockchain? So, blockchain is nothing but a decentralized, distributed digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. It is basically a database where the records are bundled together into blocks and added to chain one after another. So how blockchain works? So here's a diagram explaining that a transaction is first requested, then a block that represents the transaction is created. The block is sent to every node or participants in the network. Then the nodes validate the transaction. Node receives a reward for the proof of work, which is currently 6.25 bitcoins per block. The block is added to the existing blockchain. And finally, the transaction is complete. Now, the second diagram shows the structure of the blockchain where there are three blocks and the three blocks contains two part header which contain the hash of the previous block header and the Merkle root and the second part contains the transaction which is also in a hashed form. Now these blocks are connected by the hash of the previous blocks. So if anyone is trying to change one block, the hash of the all the previous blocks gets changed. And that's why it is also called an avalanche effect. Now, this technology offers several unique features that makes it suitable for voting system. Immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. These features ensure that the voting data remains tamper-proof and verifiable, providing a high level of security and trustworthiness to the electoral process. In a voting system, immutability ensures that the votes cast by the voters remain secure and unalterable, preventing any attempt to manipulate the result. Transparency. Blockchain technology enables a high level of transparency in the voting process by allowing all participants to access and verify the voting data. This feature ensures that the voting results are accurate and verifiable, making it difficult for any individual or group to manipulate the outcome. In a voting system, transparency ensures that the results are fair and legitimate, providing the public with confidence in the democratic process. Decentralization. Blockchain technology is decentralized, meaning that there is no central authority or control over the data recorded on the blockchain. This feature ensures that the voting data is distributed across multiple nodes, making it difficult for an individual or group to manipulate the result. In a voting system, decentralization ensures that the results are independent and unbiased, providing a high level of fairness and accuracy to the electoral process. Now, what are the benefits of blockchain-based voting system? Transparency. One of the primary benefits of using blockchain technology in voting system is transparency. Blockchain-based voting system provides an immutable, transparent record of all votes cast, which can be accessed and verified by all the stakeholders. This feature provides a high level of trust in the democratic process. Moreover, blockchain technology enables real-time tracking and monitoring of the voting process, allowing for greater transparency and accountability in the electoral process. Security. Another major benefit of using blockchain technology in voting system is security. Blockchain-based voting systems use cryptographic algorithms to secure the voting data, making it virtually impossible to tamper with or manipulate the results. Moreover, the decentralized nature of blockchain technology ensures that there is no single point of failure, making it highly resilient to cyber attacks and other security threats. In addition, blockchain technology enables secure and anonymous voting, protecting the privacy and autonomy of the voters. Efficiency. Blockchain technology can also be significantly improve the efficiency of the voting process. Traditional voting systems can be time-consuming, costly, and prone to errors, which can delay the results and undermine the confidence in the electoral process. In contrast, blockchain-based voting systems are automated, decentralized, and highly scalable, allowing for faster, more cost-effective, and more accurate vote counting. Moreover, blockchain technology can enable remote voting, making it easier for voters to participate in the electoral process. Accessibility. Blockchain-based voting system can be accessible to anyone without an internet connection. With an internet connection, eliminating barriers to access and increasing voter turnout. Traceability. Blockchain technology enables the tracing of votes, allowing for greater accountability and transparency in the electoral process. Trustworthiness. Blockchain-based voting system provides a high level of trust and confidence in the electoral process, enhancing the legitimacy and credibility of the democratic institution. Now, what are the challenges of blockchain-based voting system? Technical challenge. Implementing a blockchain-based voting system requires specialized technical expertise and infrastructure, which can be expensive and time-consuming to develop. Moreover, blockchain technology is still in its early stages of development, and there are still several technical issues that need to be resolved, such as scalability, interoperability, and privacy concerns. Political challenge. Implementing a blockchain-based voting system requires a significant level of political will and consensus among the stakeholders. This can be challenging in countries with a history of electoral fraud or political instability, where there may be resistance to change. Moreover, blockchain technology can disrupt the existing power structures, which may create resistance from the political elites or interest groups. User adaptation challenges. Implementing a blockchain-based voting system also requires a high level of user adoption and trust among the voters. Many people may be unfamiliar with blockchain technology, which can make it challenging to convince them to adopt the new system. Moreover, some voters may be hesitant to use digital voting system due to concern about privacy, security, or reliability. Legal and regulatory challenges. Implementing a blockchain-based voting system also requires compliance with the legal and regulatory frameworks. There may be legal and regulatory barriers to implementing a blockchain-based voting system, such as data protection laws, election regulations, or intellectual property rights. Moreover, some countries may be hesitant to adopt blockchain technology due to concern about its association with cryptocurrency or other illegal activities. Now, there's a case study called Estonia, which is a small Baltic country with a population of about 1.3 million people, which has been using a blockchain-based voting system since 2005. The system, known as iVoting, allows citizens to vote securely and conveniently from anywhere in the world using their national ID and a personal computer or a mobile phone. The iVoting system is based on the blockchain technology, which ensure the integrity and confidentiality of the votes cast. The votes are encrypted and recorded as transaction on the blockchain, which is verified and validated by a network of nodes. Once the transaction is validated, it is added to the blockchain as a new block, which is the transaction is basically the vote casted, which is then cryptographically linked to the previous block, forming an unbreakable chain of records. The iVoting system has been highly successful in Estonia, with around 47% of the population using the system in the 2019 parliamentary election. The system has also been praised for its accessibility and security, with no reports of major security breaches or fraud. However, the implementation of iVoting system was not without its challenges. Estonia had to invest heavily in developing the technical infrastructure and expertise required to implement the system. Moreover, the system had to comply with the legal and regulatory frameworks, which require significant legal and regulatory reforms. Overall, Estonia's iVoting system is a prime example of how blockchain-based voting system can be successfully implemented. The system has provided a high level of accessibility, convenience, and security, which has increased the participation and trust in the democratic institution. However, the successful implementation of such systems requires significant investment in technical infrastructure, legal and regulatory reforms, and stakeholders' engagement. Now, here is a simple blockchain-based e-voting systems architecture where the first voter is registered and the registration voters details is hashed into the blockchain. Then the voter list is generated, and the voter after the voter list generation, it is distributed to the voting machine or the voting booth polling stations. Now, after the people cast their votes, the casted vote is sent to the blockchain and it is hashed into the blockchain. Then the votes are verified or audited by the mining nodes. After that, the results is published. So this was the simple architecture of blockchain-based e-voting system. Now, what about the future of voting system? So emerging technologies are likely to shape the future of voting system. Blockchain technology could play a significant role in shaping the future of voting. Potential future scenarios include secure and decentralized voting from anywhere in the world. Challenges related to digital identity verification, user-friendly design, technical challenges, and public trust and acceptance need to be addressed. Further research and development are needed to overcome these challenges and ensure that the future voting system is transparent, secure, and trustworthy. Finally we came to the conclusion. So blockchain technology has emerged as a promising solution to address the long-standing issues plaguing traditional voting system. Its decentralized and immutable nature has the potential to significantly increase the transparency and security, which are key components of a robust voting system. By leveraging blockchain technology, we can ensure that every vote is accurately recorded and that results are tamper-proof and verifiable. Given the tremendous potential of blockchain technology to revolutionize the voting landscape, it is clear that this is a space worth investing in. With continued research, development, and collaboration between public and private sectors, we can create a future where every individual can vote securely no matter their location or circumstances. As we move forward, it is critical that we prioritize the integrity of our democratic processes and leverage technology to create voting systems that are transparent, secure, and accessible to all. Thank you.